You'll need your student ID number. You will have received your student ID number with your offer letter. You will need an approved credit or debit card. This does not have to be your own card if somebody else is paying on your behalf. You can use QuickPay to make payments even if you're not registered to use our web payment facility. Visit our website at www.kingston.ac.uk/EPay. In the left-hand navigation, select QuickPay. Select Tuition Fees from the drop-down menu. Then select the type of tuition fee payment you are making. Enter your student ID number without the K. Enter the value to be paid. Click Submit. You will see a confirmation screen showing the value of your payment. Check the amount is correct and then click Pay. Select your payment method, which will be online card payment. Click Pay. Check the information once more, then click Accept. You will then be taken to a payment summary screen. Click Continue. Enter the cardholder details of the card you are using to pay. This is for home EU or international cards. Enter the billing address of the cardholder. You can change country if required. Click Continue. Review the information you have entered. Click Confirm. If you have set up 3D Secure on your payment card, your card issuer will now ask for further authentication before issuing your payment. You will then be taken to a screen showing that your transaction has been successful. Click Continue. A copy of the receipt will be sent to the email you provided earlier. A further copy can be sent to an alternative email address if required by entering it here.